To move you over. Hopefully I have enough. If not, maybe I can get Megan come over here and hold the camera. But I want to open my pre-order supplies. So let's get this up. And let's see. Oh, this is going to be a little hard to see. Let's move all of this up. It'd be easy if I put it on so it's straight. There. Okay, so I'm going to open this and I'll take out things. Okay. So, oh, and Donna, I hope you're going to love this Hugs from Shelley. Oh, it's going to be a beautiful one. Every time Shelley, this is the second one I think she designed. So, okay, here we go. Okay, take out all the paperwork and all the trash. Oh, what do I have here? Okay, let's see. Let's move. Oh, sorry. Oh, I moved this out of the way. Oh, look at, I got this ribbon. This is called the Scalloped Linen Ribbon, and it is with the new color. What color is it? That's one of the new Pretty Peacock. And the tannish color. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, this is Floral Essence. This is a new stamp set. Remember, you can only get it in the catalog after starting June 4th, but if you want it now, you can join the Happening Stampers and get it. And then this is a paper pumpkin one. So, Donna, you're going to be seeing something made out of this soon. Also, oh, this is Free as the Bird. I love those little birdies right there. I had to have it. I really wish, though, they had something to cut that out with, but they didn't. Okay. Then, actually, there's a punch that goes, this is bundled. Floral Essence comes with this punch. Now, I wanted to get the Magnolias, but they were sold out. Okay, I will tell you right now, because you guys will probably find out there is another color, and I can't remember what it is. Purple's Posy Purple Posy, a new in color, that the ink is not right. So they're trying to get it right before they start selling it. But I got the terracotta tile. See? I've got, this is Rococo Rose. This is Pretty Peacock. It's more of a blue. And this is Seaside Spray. Okay. I will tell her, Dee. Okay, so Abner is there. Abner is still there. These are the Perennial Essence Floral Centers. And this goes with the Floral Essence. Let's take these out. Oh, look at those. Aren't those so cute? And they got little dots on them. See them? Well, they look just like the centers of flowers. So that goes with these right there. So you can put that in there. Oh, how cute. Oh, and I did get two more. These are the Magnolia Lane Ribbon Combo Pack. I am going to get the Magnolia Lane bundle. Oh, this looks interesting. Almost, oh, it's more like twine. Yeah, it's Baker's twine. And this is Whisper White in the neutral, the browns. Hey, Marilyn. Okay, now what else did I get? I've got a second order I'm going to order for when we're by Kayla, and that the Magnolias is going to be there. Oh, this is it. Do you see this? Oh, I'll show it to you once I take the box off, but look at this. I can't show you the inside yet. But look at that. If you ordered from me and you're going to get this, it should be shipping out sometime this week. So you may get it to the next. Hey, Gail. Okay. Okay. Now what else? Oh, paper pumpkin stuff. This is One Stop. Oh, make something amazing. This is the new beginners thing brochure. If you're a beginner stamp, here's the new in colors, and now you see the purple posy. This is the color of the purple posy that they don't have the ink for. Okay, I am going to take the box out and we're going to look at the designer series paper. Okay, I got two, I believe. Yeah, this one is called, I don't have it all, Mosaic Mood Specialty Designer Series paper. So let's take this out. I love, yeah, and I'm very understanding that the paper does not show. Ooh, you see that shine? Look at that. Those are actually mosaics. They look like they're embossed on there. Hummingbirds, if you're into hummingbirds, there you go. And the other side is that mosaic. Oh, and this, yeah, you can see the mosaic tiles on that. You can see that shine too. And then the opposite side is that. Hey, Patricia. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I like this. This is going to make a really good back. Oh, and look at it. It shines too. It's got those little flowers. And the back, oh, the back looks like this one without the color. Oh, this one may be a nice one to take your blends to. Oh, and here, oh, this is beautiful. Again, look at it shine. Look at the embossing on that. And the back of that, oh, look at those roses and butterflies. Oh, and here's those roses with pink. Oh, and mosaic. Look at it. Look at those. Look at it shine, shimmer. Oh, isn't it beautiful? And then on the back of that one, oh, and here's another. Oh, look at this one shine. This is like the back of this one. I think it's this. Yeah, just different color. And this one shines. Look at this one is embossed. So that is the Mosaic Mood Designer Series paper. Now let me put this back. And we'll open the other one. You know, being in the trailer, I can't get them all. So I had a really tough time looking at which one I want to get. So this one is called the Perennial Essence. It goes with the floral and the all of this. This is part of their suite. And remember, this year you can just, one number has all the suites on it. Has everything for the suite. So let's open this up and look at that. Okay, where's my So remember, if it looks like you may like it, you have to get the Designer Series paper because it looks so different in person. Okay, so what do we have here? This looks almost like a floral lily pad. Oh, I always love this type of back. Oh, now I know somebody made a card and I thought they'd stamp this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and look at the green on the back of this one. Oh, So this is the Perennial Essence. Oh, you could just frame that. Look at that. You could just frame that. Now, oh, now I don't know which one I'd want to frame. What you could do is you just cut these up and stamp on them. And that's it. Just put them on a card base. I don't know. That is beautiful, but that is so beautiful too. Oh, I just don't know. Yeah, Marilyn, I love the paper too. Oh, enough. Well, I know why I got this. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm speechless. I just am speechless. Oh, look at that. Oh, what could, oh, and look at that color. Now, you know, the reason they give you 2 sheets of paper is because they're double-sided and it's very hard to choose which side you use. I usually just get, when I was home, I used to get 2 sets of all the paper because I never wanted to cut into one because they were so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, and another one with the flowers. Oh, and these have little, can you see that? Those are little like pieces of wheat. Oh, isn't that just beautiful? I just love those. Oh. So remember, this, you can start buying these June 4th, or if you want to get them now, you can join the Happening Stampers. Just ask me how. For $99, you get $125 worth of any of the Stampin' Up products, which also will include, you can buy any of the stuff that is for the pre-order. So, okay, now I promised you I'd show you the cover again, the full cover. This is the new catalog for 2019-2020. So that's, I can't show you the inside until June 4th, but you're going to get it if you've got, if you're part of, if you ordered from me from April of last year to April of this year, $50 or more, you're going to get this. If you haven't ordered from me and you want it, let me know. You can start ordering it on June 4th. Okay? But isn't it beautiful? And I really want to open it, but I really can't with you looking on. So free as a bird stamp set. I've got the Perennial Essence Designer Series paper, that beautiful one. I got the Mosaic Mood. I've got the Perennial Flower Punch that goes with the Floral Essence. I've got the floral, or the Perennial Essence Floral Centers. I got this beautiful ribbon. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I got some more ribbon. I got the Magnolia Lane ribbon. And did I get any? That's about it. I got a few. Oh, got 4 of the 5 new in color inks. And remember, the Purple Posy or Posy Purple, whatever color it is, I can't remember right now, they're working on it because they had some problems with it. Yeah, I love that paper, don't you? Okay, so let me